Add a friend in Marvel Rivals. So how to add a friend in Marvel Rivals? It's easy and simple. So after you open the game, as you can see, now go to the top right corner. As you can see now, click on this friend icon. Now as you can see, you have three options. So the contact option is by entering your friend name, and you will be able to send the request from here. Now after that, you have this option, these recent players. As you can see, these players are available to add. So if you want just like to add a friend in this list, just click on this plus icon. As you can see, add a friend. Now you need to wait for that user to accept your friend request to be able to add on your friend list. Now in the other option is by going and click on this little Discord icon. After that, click on go now. Now after that, they open, or it will be open, the Discord. So after that, click on join Marvel Rivals, as you can see, to be able to play with your friends in the Discord. Now as you can see, choose an account. After you log in, as you can see, just click on login. So after you log in to your Discord, you will be able to add your friends on the Marvel Rivals. So as you can see, pick any local group channel, throw out, and invite to play Marvel Rivals. Now step number 3, the team leader needs to swing back to the Marvel Rivals client to approve join request. So as you can see, this is how to add a friend in Marvel Rivals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.